Hi, so I posted a counting video yesterday. So today I want to focus on addition. So we're still going to be using our counting skills. So we're going to count in a smaller quantity and then a bigger quantity. So we're going to have equal, so we have some and some more, and then we're going to see how many we have all together. So some and some more, and then all together. So if you're working, excuse me, if you're working with somebody with this, you might want to go ahead and have some manipulatives ready. So you might want to pause the video or go ahead and play the video all the way through. And then you can use this as an introduction and then log into your own ULS and complete the lesson again and complete some of the additional problems that are listed. This is again 16B. So 16A is counting, 16B is addition. All right, so let's take a look. So first thing I want to do is count. They won't let us count individually on this because they're telling us that the number is 3. So again, we want to make sure we're focused on level 1. So when you log into your ULS, level 1 should be the only thing that pulls up for you. But if not, if I've mistaken, make sure that you are on level 1. Okay, so we're going to do 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're going to find the number 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. This number's the same. And we have the ding. Okay, so we have 3 plates. So we have some plates. We have 3. And this is where you could also be working on number recognition, making sure we're counting the objects. So if you want to have manipulatives at home, blocks, Cheerios, Ritz crackers, anything that you may have, rocks outside, sticks, anything at all, and you count out 3. 1, 2, 3. And then how many did we count? Again, this is where you could hold up the card or hold up the a number to represent, whether it's a number card or a picture on a phone, iPad, whatever you might have, and have them reach for to identify that they recognize that we've counted 3 objects. Then we're going to count the next set of objects. We have some. Now we're going to count some more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many more plates did we count? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to find the number 4. So here I'm looking for the number that is the same. So this number is the same. And then that tells me that I have the correct answer. So now I have 3 plus 4. So how many do I have all together? I have some plus some more. How many do I have all together? So now I would count out my sticks or my Legos or whatever I'm using as my manipulative and count them all together. So in this case, I'm going to count the plates all together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many plates do we have all together? That's right, we have 7 plates. So I'm going to look for the number 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right, 3 plus 4 equals 7. Some and some more equals 7. Okay. Okay, this is, again, let's see. And here we are. Okay, so this time we're counting 6 plus 3. So we have your manipulatives ready. And let's count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many did I count? I counted 6. So I'm going to go over and find my number 6. I'm looking for the number that's the same. So if you have note cards out with the numbers written, can you reach out and touch the number 6? Show me which one is the number 6. Okay. 6. So we have 6. So we have some, which is 6. And now we're going to have some more. 1, 2, 3. So how many more do we have? 1, 2, 3. I'm going to find the number that's the same. 6 plus 3. That's right. So I had my original 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 equals how many? So now I'm going to count all of them to find out how many I have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. Okay, so some and some more. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Okay, so now what I want you to do is I want you to log into ULS and I want you to finish the remaining problems. So this would be problem 1. I think. Problem 2. And problem 3, this time it's horizontal. So the first couple of problems were vertically aligned and this one is horizontal. There's one more, 3 plus 2. Don't think there's, and again, I'm having to scroll through. There's another one. All right. So if you can go through and finish, if you can finish all of the level 1 problems, that would be great, but that may be too many. So if you can at least work on adding up to 10 today and save the adding up to 20s for another day. So at least if you can do the adding up to 10s, that would be great. If you are bored or just want something else to do and you want to add up to 20s, then go for it. Make sure you're using your counters. Make sure you're counting with one-to-one correspondence and that you are looking for the correct number. So you're working on your counting and your number recognition. So what you're working on here is finding the number of objects in a given set and then also adding. And this is also fun if you go on a walk. You can pick up sticks, pick up rocks, help pull weeds in your yard. Even your parents might like that one. But anyway, I hope you guys are doing great. I miss seeing you. And take care. Remember to log into ULS. Make sure you send me pictures, upload pictures on Seesaw. Text me. I miss seeing your faces. And I miss seeing you guys do your work. Take care.